Welcome to Power BI demo channel. Today's topic, Power BI aggregation function. Today we will look at commonly used DAX aggregate, which is average. Average is a calculated middle value of a set of numbers on a column or a row. For example, 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 10. Then we divide it with the number on that set, which is 5, and our final answer equals 10. We divide that by 5 and it equals 10. So the average equals 2. So on this particular example, this is our table. So we got the region and we got the sales. So we have added everything here and we are getting 10. So this is all the sales of that region. Now I'll do a live demo on Power BI and see how this can be applicable on a Power BI environment. So the first thing, I'll calculate sum of the sales. I have done a demo on this on lesson 1, so you can check it up on my channel. So the first thing we will do, total sales. So we create a measure, we call it total sales. And then we are using sum function, so which is sum. So this is our table and we want that sales column. So this gives us our total sales. The reason we have this is because we have the same measure twice and we can't have the same name twice here, so we can change. So what we can do, we can add another comma there. That should work. So we bring that measure. So we get 10. We bring the card. That's our total sales. So and now to our final demo, which is calculating the average. So again, a new measure. We give our measure the name. So we call it average sales. Average sales. So the function is average. So and we want our table, which is dummy data, and then we want our column, which is sales. Then close the bracket. We commit if you are happy with our function. Then we bring the card here to see our average, which is just calculated now. So average sales, which is 2. And then we can format that just to make it a whole number. So that's 2. And we can also bring it here. It will give exactly the same thing, average sales. And that's our average sales there too. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment.